From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the vibrant jungles of the Western Ghats, India possesses a tapestry of life unlike any other. Yet, this natural heritage is facing an unprecedented crisis, with many iconic creatures teetering on the brink of extinction. The Bengal tiger, a symbol of strength and India's national animal, is now a ghost of its former self. Habitat loss and poaching have driven this apex predator into shrinking pockets of wilderness. But there is hope. Across India, dedicated conservationists are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures. Anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration projects offer a glimmer of light in the darkness. The Indian rhinoceros, a creature seemingly sculpted from prehistoric times, is now restricted to a handful of protected areas. Poaching for their horns and habitat loss have decimated their numbers. But the fight to save the Indian rhinoceros is far from over. Dedicated conservation efforts, including anti-poaching patrols and habitat restoration, offer a lifeline to this ancient species. The great Indian bustard, once a common sight, is now critically endangered. Habitat fragmentation and collisions with power lines are significant threats. However, conservationists are working to secure and restore vital grassland habitats. Measures to mitigate the risk of power line collisions are also being implemented. In the dry forests of Gujarat, the Asiatic lion clings to survival in the Gir Forest National Park. Habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict are constant challenges. But within this protected haven, a remarkable conservation success story is unfolding. Thanks to dedicated efforts, the Asiatic lion population is slowly increasing. High in the Himalayas, the snow leopard reigns supreme. Climate change and poaching for its fur and bones pose significant threats. This elusive predator, a symbol of the high Himalayas, faces an uncertain future. The Ganges River is home to the critically endangered Ganges River dolphin. Pollution and habitat fragmentation have turned the river into a toxic soup. The construction of dams and barrages disrupts their movement and breeding patterns. In the misty bamboo forests of the eastern Himalayas, the red panda resides. This shy and elusive creature is facing an uphill battle for survival. The Indian elephant, a symbol of wisdom and strength, is now restricted to fragmented populations. Human-elephant conflict, driven by competition for space and resources, is a growing concern. These majestic creatures play a vital role in their ecosystems. The blackbuck, a graceful antelope, is now facing an uncertain future. Habitat loss and poaching have fragmented their populations. This iconic species, once found in abundance, is now vulnerable. The Nilgiri Tahr, found in the Western Ghats, is a master of its rugged environment. Habitat loss and poaching have fragmented their populations. This mountain goat faces an array of threats. As we've journeyed across India, we've encountered creatures of extraordinary beauty and resilience. The future of these animals rests in our hands. By supporting conservation organizations and advocating for sustainable practices, we can ensure that India's wildlife legacy endures. Visit our website to learn more and get involved.